Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm happy to share a few tips with you on how to recreate Pinterest outfits while staying true to yourself and to your personal style. Recreating outfits from Pinterest can be a fun and a rewarding way to update your wardrobe and try new styles. Alright, let's start with the first tip, which is to gather inspiration. And for this purpose, I love creating a Pinterest board. So collect outfit ideas by creating a dedicated board on Pinterest where you can save pins of outfits you love. Look closely at the outfits you've pinned. Take note of recurring themes, colors, styles, and specific pieces. So if you look at my Pinterest board, you will see outfits in neutral colors, a lot of trousers, basic items, and blazers. And if I had to describe the styles I've pinned, that would be classic, effortless, and comfortable. It's important to identify key pieces, so make a list, write down the key items in each outfit. So this could include specific types of clothing, accessories, and shoes. No need to go into details of each item, general description would work just fine at this stage. So this is a true life example. I spotted this look by Anouk Eve a few years ago, and it inspired me to invest in a pair of camel trousers that I felt was really missing in my wardrobe. And you know that I like wearing tailored trousers, and I knew that pair would be on a heavy rotation in my wardrobe. So I recreated this outfit with my button-up shirt that I've had for years, thin belt, and a cute bag from Pelen that I love so much, but unfortunately it's no longer available, otherwise I would have bought it in different colors. And to be honest, I love using one look for inspiration and build other outfits around it. For example, you can replace a white shirt by a white t-shirt if that corresponds to your personal style and your lifestyle. And since I'm a huge fan of jackets and blazers, I love styling this pair of trousers with my favorite pieces. So taking this color palette as an example allowed me to create even more outfits with the items I already have in my wardrobe. And I also think that camel and white and ivory colors look so chic when paired together. Don't you think so? You know by now that I regularly wear monochromatic outfits, so obviously I could not do this video without taking one as an example. Whenever I'm in doubt or in a hurry, I always go for almost the same color from head to toe, as it instantly helps me feel put together. Do not hesitate to mix and match different items. Use what you already have and be creative. You don't need to recreate the outfit exactly. Use it as inspiration and adapt it to your personal style. Now, I might not have the same pieces as in the picture, but I will look into my wardrobe to find similar items to make sure I recreate the look that is personal to me. I really like the outfit formula in this specific outfit. A classic white button-up shirt layered with a striped cardigan looks so chic and timeless. So I don't limit myself with wearing jeans only these days, so I adapted this look to my personal style of wearing a pair of white trousers instead. And sometimes I use a striped shirt for layering purposes instead of a cardigan, and it works really well for me, especially during summer. Try different combinations of the pieces you have to see what works best for you. Now when you are recreating the outfits, pay attention to details. Pay attention to color palette and patterns in Pinterest outfits and try to match them. Don't forget the importance of accessories like hats, scarves, jewelry and bags in completing the look. They make the outfit more personal and unique to you. I also find it useful if we take pictures of the recreated outfits to compare with their original Pinterest inspiration. So no judgment here, we are not going to compare ourselves with the person in the picture. I'm talking only about the outfits, because we really need to see what works well for us and what might need adjusting. It's also important to consider how you feel in the outfit. Comfort and confidence are key indicators of a successful look. Identify the gaps in your wardrobe and prioritize the most versatile pieces. You don't need to buy all the missing pieces at once, take it step by step. And if you can't find the items you pinned, it might be a good idea to order custom items, taking these pictures for inspiration. And in case you don't know any dressmakers near you, you can always reach out to Dress Art Paris, sustainable online atelier, and order your unique pieces straight from your home. Build your collection over time, and for this reason, continuously update your Pinterest board with new inspirations as your style evolves. And I hope you guys found these tips useful, and if you did, as always, I would really appreciate your feedback, and do not hesitate to share any challenges that you might experience when recreating Pinterest outfit. I would be really curious to know, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!